Fire in the hole, let's cook some bacon. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. Wait till you see this recipe I got for you today. It's gonna knock your socks off. You see, I've already started with the bacon. I've got a loaf pan and I've got some thick cut applewood smoked bacon. And I'm gonna lay it in this loaf pan like this. And it's gonna hang over the edge like that. And I'm going to get that bacon. I got Aaron's attention now, and I got the bacon scorpion's attention. That's bacon, baby. American back belly bacon, pork belly bacon. You see what I'm going with this? I'm going to lay that in that pan, and then I'll go from there. So let me get it done, and I'll show you what that looks like. Stay tuned. Okay, I got my bacon laid out the way I want it. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move these things out of the way for now until I can get the rest of this going. What I got here is a bunch of chicken breasts that I cut in half and sliced sideways to make kind of chicken cutlets with that. And I'm going to take some Tsang stir-fry oil and slather on those chicken cutlets like that. I know it's out of the frame, it's okay. You're not missing nothing. And then I got some Tango spice chicken and rib rub, and I'm going to douse those chicken breasts with that chicken and rib rub because that's good stuff. Chicken and rib rub from Tango Joe. I'm going to get them doused up with that. Yes sir. You're going to love this recipe, I guarantee it. This is one of those clickbait tasty recipes, but it really captured my imagination. So what I'm going to do now is take that chicken breasts and lay it in the bottom of that pan like that. Get another one in there like so. Okay. Next comes some veggies. And I know what you're thinking. You don't want no veggies in there. Well, yes you do. You got to have some veggies. So we got some red bell pepper there and there. And some more here. We got some orange bell pepper too. Why not? If you can do it, do it. And some more red bell pepper on the end here. I think that's enough pepper. And we got some onion slices. I'm going to slice them. Oh, you know what? I almost forgot to put the barbecue sauce. It's okay, I'll put it on now. Let me get my onion slices in there. About 8 slices of onion, I think. Should do it. There you go. 8 slices of onion. Now we got to put some barbecue sauce on that. And the barbecue sauce I'm using today is Mr. Tom's. Where is it? Mr. Tom's guava barbecue sauce. Really good barbecue sauce. And I'm going to douse that with some of that Mr. Tom's barbecue sauce. Don't that look good already? Yeah. Yeah, baby. Okay. So we got a layer of meat, a layer of veggies. Of course, we've got our bacon. What we need now is another layer of meat. I've got that chicken that I rubbed with Tango spice chicken and rib rub. I'm going to lay that in there on top of that barbecue sauce. And then we need some cheese on top of that, don't you think? Just to make this whole thing interesting, we're going to put some sharp cheddar cheese on there. If I can get it out of the package. Yeah, here we go. I'm going to put a layer of sharp, thick cut, sharp cheddar cheese. I'm putting actually 2 slices because it's not thick enough for me. I'm probably going to put 6 slices of cheese on there. Okay. Now we just got to get some more chicken on there. Some more of that chicken. The last layer that need a little bit of Tango spice on there. And another one. And another one. Layer of chicken. That's a layer of chicken right there. Okay, so we got our chicken, our veggies, our bacon. Now what we're going to do now is fold that bacon over like this. on top of my chicken barbecue chicken bacon bomb. I could have put some more barbecue sauce on there, but I didn't. We're going to fold this bacon this way and fold this bacon this way. And this bacon goes that way. Have you ever seen a bacon go this way, go that way? Okay. We're getting it done, babies. Alright, that's like the ultimate bacon weave right there. It's not really a weave, but it is, that is some bacon. Bacony goodness is what I call it. New channel, Dan. Bacony goodness. Alright. So all I got to do now is get that sucker in the pit barrel and let it cook until that bacon gets cooked up. And I'll probably have to take a, a turkey baster and get the grease out of there, because it's going to generate some grease. You know, it's a lot of bacon. But that is going to be one awesome thingy. I could put a little guava barbecue sauce on top, and I'm going to decant that thing later, turn it upside down and glaze it with some of this sauce. But I'll just throw some on top, won't hurt it. A little of that guava barbecue sauce on top, and don't worry, I got more of that. Let's get that in the pit barrel. I'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll get it cooking. Stay tuned. My barbecue chicken bacon bomb is in the pit barrel getting cooked. It's got to cook for I don't know how long. I got to cook it till I get about an internal temperature of about 165 on that chicken, and then we'll get it out of there. We'll flip it upside down and glaze the other side of it, and it'll be ready to slice into and eat. So stay tuned. I got my barbecue bacon bomb out of the loaf pan. I'm going to glaze it up with some more of that on the other side, on the bottom side of Mr. Tom's guava barbecue sauce, and cook it for about another half hour on the grill, just to get that bacon a little crispy maybe. Give it a final cook. Glaze it up nice. Looking good. Give it a final glaze everywhere on the sides. Yes, sir. That's what I call a barbecue bacon bomb right there. How's that look? Okay, let me get it finished up. We'll cut into it. We'll drink a beer. That'll be it. So stay tuned. My chicken bacon bomb is done. We're going to let it rest a minute before we crack into it. Meanwhile, let's drink a beer. I've been wanting to try this beer for a long time. Well, not a long time, about a week since I bought it. This is Dragons and Yum Yums from Dogfish Head, and it's a collaboration with the band The Flaming Lips. You may or may not have heard of The Flaming Lips, but I gotta tell you what's in it. You're gonna freak out. This is ale brewed with dragon fruit, yumberry, passion fruit, pear, and black carrot juice. I don't even know what black carrot juice is. But anyway, there's only one way to find out, right, Roll? You gotta pour it out. We'll take a sniff and taste it. Oh my goodness, what a color. What a color on this stuff. It's almost like a rosé. And no head to speak of. Look at that. Dragons and Yum Yums. I can't wait to take a sniff of that. Let's take a sniff, Roll. Man, that smells good. It's very fruity. You know, I'm a fool for fruity beers. Let's face it. Let me take a taste of that, Roll. Let's quaff the froth off it, Roll. There's no froth on it. It's very interesting. I'm going to have to take another quaff. You know, it almost tastes like wine. It's very good. Dragons and Yum Yums. It's not anywhere near as sweet as you would think it would be, with all that fruit in it. Dragon fruit, yumberry, passion fruit, pear, and black carrot juice. I don't know what black carrot juice is, but look at the beautiful color of that. It's almost a red. I bet Dan would like this. I'm gonna have to send you a bottle, Dan. Oh, that's really good. That's really good. Let me get my bacon bomb over here and we'll take a taste of it. Stay tuned. Alright, here's the moment you've been waiting for. We're going to cut into this bomb. Oh boy, look at that. Oh yeah, check this out. Whoops. Oh yeah, look at all that delicious cheese. Can you see that? All that delicious cheese and bacon. I might have to change the thumbnail. Look at this piece of bacon. I'm going to eat that right now. Mmm, that's delicious. All that melty cheese and all that chicken. I got to get a slice of that and get it on my plate. Uh-oh. It's not going to slice as easily as I thought it would. Well, let that to be a lesson to you. It's hard to slice, but it smells excellent. Let me get a piece of that chicken in my mouth. Well, I tell you, between the Tango spice rub and the barbecue sauce, this is delicious. Excellent. A great recipe. I gotta tell you. You're gonna love this recipe. You gotta try it at home. If you do this in the oven, be careful with that hot grease. That's gonna build up. You're gonna get a lot of hot grease. So that's my video, babies. That's my bacon chicken barbecue bomb, whatever you want to call it. And it's excellent. Delicious chicken. Everything's good. The bacon, everything. You know what I always say? If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in here and see a fellow who just reviewed this very same beer that we're drinking today. Backwoods Billy's beer reviews. And all he does is beer reviews, I think. I don't think he does any cooking. But go check him out. If you want to know about current beers that are available around town. Look at this piece of chicken right here, just calling my name. I guess I better eat that. Yeah, that's good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, go see Backwoods Billy beer reviews. Subscribe to Root Boy Cooks. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but if it's got bacon in it, you know Aaron's gonna love it. And you know the bacon scorpion will do this same dish, except he'll put bacon inside of it as well as outside of it, because he's on a quest for more bacon, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, bye. Thanks for watching.